class. Yesterday I have solved the derivations for the Newtonian fluid flow through the pipe, and numerical was also done. For that, today we will solve for the non-Newtonian flow. कौन आया अटेंडेंस बनवा लो. वंदना present. Vikas present. Okay, next. So here derivation for non-Newtonian fluid flow in a pipe. So non-Newtonian fluid flow derivation is similar to the derivation of the Newtonian fluid flow. Here we will consider the mechanism of liquid flowing through a pipe or tube by overcoming pipe or tube. Yeah, here you can write tube also. Pipe oblique tube by overcoming shear resistance with pressure difference across the cross section between the length of the pipe. If you are applying the pressure difference sufficient to overcome the shear resistance, the flow will start. And when the flow will start, you will measure the flow rate Q and you will measure the pressure difference delta P. Hello? Anybody wants to come?
Yes, sir.
Nobody is coming. Only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 students. There are other students.
सर विकास वेटिंग में, उसको जोड़ लीजिए.
नहीं वेटिंग में कोई नहीं है. So let the radius of the pipe or tube as R, diameter to be विकास कुमार 15, रोल नंबर 15. 15 कैसे हो गया? क्या रोल नंबर 13 है?
सर रोल नंबर 2 वेटिंग में.
2 भी हो गया तो विकास कुमार दूसरा जो उसका रोल नंबर तो 13 है ना?
यस सर, 2 वाला वेटिंग में हो गया.
प्रकाश रंजन 18 हो गया. राजा सुमित आ गए. उदित
रोल नंबर 2 सर विकास.
So we have considered out of the total diameter कौन आया? Who has come? Hello? कौन आया लास्ट में कौन आया?
विकास कुमार रोल नंबर 2 सर.
वो तो आ चुके थे पहले. ये ए से कौन है? ए कौन है? ए किसका?
अनीता भारती.
अनीता?
यस सर, अनीता होगी.
नाम लिखा सर. So here you can see that on equilibrium between the shear resistance tau into 2 pi Rn and pressure difference P1 minus P2 by R square, we can find out the tau is equal to P1 minus P2 into R by 12. P1 minus P2 is referred as delta P in other places. So consider the fluid as non-Newtonian. So we will keep the tau as m power law model, m minus dV by dr power n. M dV by dr is the gamma dot to the power n. Now equating equation number 1 and equation number 2, we can get that and integrate it from r to r, and at r the velocity is vr and at capital R the velocity is 0. Means from here delta P by 2 mm, when you will keep this P1 minus P2 R2 by L, R by 2L is equal to m minus dV by dr power n you will get delta V by 2 ml power 1 by n r power 1 by n dr and integrate it. So you will get the delta Vr is equal to delta P by 2 ml power 1 by n upon n plus 1 r power n plus 1 by n minus r power n plus 1 by n. And the average velocity can be found out by integrating for the total velocity, that is कौन है ऋषि? V average into pi square is equal to VR 2 pi r dr integral from 0 to r. On integrating, you will get V average is equal to delta P by 2 ml power 1 by n into n upon 3n plus 1 r power n plus 1 by n. This is known as for average velocity Rabinowitz equation, and this one is for point velocity Rabinowitz equation. This is for point velocity and this is for average velocity. If we divide the point velocity Vr by V average, we will everything will be cancelled and we will get 3n plus 1 upon n plus 1 into 1 minus r by r with power n plus 1 upon n. If we keep r is equal to 0, so Vr is equal to max, V max, and at r is equal to r, Vr is equal to 0. And when n is equal to 1, so Vr by V average is similar to Newtonian flow 2 into 1 minus r by r whole square of the r by r. And V max will become 2 average. This is completely the condition when the flow is laminar and the velocity profile is completely parabolic. Now we will see that flow rate equation for non-Newtonian flow of the fluid. So for flow rate, you have to integrate the elementary area flow rate Vr 2 pi r dr. Vr by quadratic equation point velocity into point area of the element Vr into 2 pi r dr integrated from 0 to r will give you the total flow rate, and by keeping the value of Vr that is delta P by 2 ml power 1 by n upon n plus 1 r to the power n plus 1 So we can say here that 0 to r delta P 2 ml power 1 by n upon n plus 1. Here we can calculate the value of Q as pi to delta P by 2 ml power 1 by n upon 3n plus 1 r power 3n plus 1 by n. We can take the log of this. We can take the log on both sides, and with the help of taking log, we can convert this model, this power law model into the straight line equation model by taking log Q and log delta P by 2n. So log delta P by 2n versus log Q will be drawn on the graph paper. Log delta P by 2n will be taken on y-axis and log Q on x-axis. On whatever point you will get, you will make the average straight line point, straight line, and then slope of the line will be like similar to y is equal to mx plus c. M is the slope. Similarly here, when log delta P by 2n is equal to something plus n log Q, so the n will be the slope of the a straight line, and that small n is known as the flow behavior index. Our ambition is to determine the flow behavior index, and our ambition is To determine the consistency coefficient, those are known as rheological parameter. So here, next slide. अनिता भारती अब आ रही है, और अनिता भारती तो पहले कौन थे? ए पहले कौन था? हेलो, ए से किसका शो हो रहा है?
क्या सर?
एक ए करके कौन शो कर रहा है? ये ए किसका है? ए किसका है?
अनीता भारती।
अनिता भारती तो अभी इंटर कर रही थी, पहले से है।
सर डिस्कनेक्ट हो जा रहा है बार बार,
हैं?
बार बार डिस्कनेक्ट हो जा रहा है सर।
अच्छा, ठीक।
सर राजा के भी वैसा ही हो रहा है सर।
राजा
हेलो?
को सिलेक्ट किया आया। शिवम
सर
कुमार
उसका भी वैसा
एब्सेंट है। शिवम कुमार एब्सेंट, रोल नंबर 3। उत्पल कांत एब्सेंट। काजल कुमारी एब्सेंट। रवीश आनंद एब्सेंट। जितेंद्र कुमार एब्सेंट। निदेश कुमार एब्सेंट। उज्जवल कुमार एब्सेंट। Next, now I want to show you here the maximum shear rates in non-Newtonian flow through a pipe. So whatever velocity profile equation you have got, VR upon V average equal to 3n plus 1 upon n plus 1, 1 minus R by R power n plus 1 upon n. You can differentiate it with respect to R minus dVR. Why minus? Because differentiation will do by taking minus, because minus is minus dV by dr is the shear rate. So here इधर भी माइनस आना चाहिए। Take positive only, no problem. Positive. So dV by dr at R it will be 3n plus 1 upon n, V average by R, or you can say for any value of R, you can find out the dV by dr at this point R by keeping the value of R, by keeping the value of R, and by keeping the value of n. Vikas Kumar, rule number 2. And now you can find out the rheological parameter M and N can be determined for developing model of fluids by taking log on both sides. Log on both sides, and finally we will draw the graph between log delta P by 12 and log Q. The slope of the line will be the n, and intercept at the इंटरसेप्ट से आप जो है can be determined m value can determine. Now when you take the log q flow rate equation for log q, then it will become log pi plus 1 by n log delta p by 2 ml plus log this plus this, then multiply by n log q equal to n log pi plus 1 by n will be cancelled, log delta p 2 ml plus n log this plus this by n will be cancelled. ये वाला Now you can make it in such a way that n log q, n से multiply किया, is equal to n log pi plus this. Now log delta p by 2 ml is equal to this. So log delta p by 2l, ये log m को आप निकाल के माइनस आया उसको इधर कर दिया, तो log m minus n log pi minus n log 3n n upon 3n plus 1 minus 3n plus 1 log r plus n log q. तो ये यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक आपका इंटरसेप्ट है, दिस ब्रैकेट से लेके दिस में, तो log this is equal to y, this is equal to m, this is x, log q is the x, y is equal to mx plus c. You can see here that this shows that y is equal to mx plus c, straight line. So in a straight, it is a straight line equation. If we draw the graph between log delta p by 12 and log q, the slope will give the flow behavior index n, and intercept will result in the calculation. Similarly, you can understand that there is a numerical. Note down the numerical is the tube viscometer. A tube viscometer with 0.267 centimeter diameter and 0.91 meter length was used to obtain the following data. Data were obtained by flowing the liquid along the tube and measuring the pressure drop from one end to the other end. Suppose 1.3 into 10 power 5 Pascal, 1.45 into 10 power 5 Pascal. इस तरह से ये प्रेशर ड्रॉप बढ़ता गया और फ्लो रेट जो है 0.91 into 10 power minus 4 meter cube per second, 2.50 into 10 power minus 4 meter cube per second, 2.10 into 10 power minus 4, ये 10 power minus 4 है, इसलिए कि इसको जो है आपका छिप गया इधर आ गया। ठीक है, तो यहाँ जब रीडिंग है, ये आपको पता क्या करना है, you have to obtain the rheological parameter m and n. So what we have done that we have found out delta p by 12 into 10 power 5. From here 1.30 you can find out the delta p by 12. This was delta p divided by 12. So delta p by 12, log delta p by 12. Take the log of that. 0.715 into 10 power 5. Log of that is equal to 4.85. Log of 0.795 into 10 power 5. Log of 0.855 into 10 power 5. And take q, log q. Then log q, log q, log q. So this is the value of the log delta p by 12 and log q. We will draw the graph. And on drawing the graph, you will get a slope, a straight line. The slope of the straight line will be the flow behavior index, n is equal to 0.28. And the intercept is 5.15 for the log q is equal to minus 3.0 when it is kept in the equation. This equation, in this equation जब इसको रखा गया, log q की वैल्यू यहाँ रखी गई, n की वैल्यू 0.28 रखी गई, log delta p by 12 की वैल्यू 5. कितनी आई 5.15. कहाँ रखा गया, इसमें, then you will get the value of this complete and keep the n, you will get the value of m, log m, and anti-log of log m will give you the value of m. So you have got the value of m as 4.074. So your power law model tau is equal to इसमें आप रख सकते हैं। So you have determined that यहाँ m की जगह पे 4.074 और n की जगह पे 0.28. So this is the model which you have found out by graphical analysis. Similarly, you can see this equation that experimental results with a coaxial cylinder viscometer used for banana poli at 340 Kelvin were as follows, and determine the logical parameters required to describe the product. वही m और n निकालना है. यहाँ डायरेक्ट आपको shear rate और shear stress का ग्राफ दिया, इसका log ले लीजिए, log of shear stress and log of shear stress and log of shear rate, and draw log of shear stress on y-axis, log of shear rate on x-axis, and get the slope and get the intercept by the equation. Okay, so these are you will draw this also. These are the two numerical you have been asked to solve with the non-Newtonian fluid flow. Again, again I am explaining you. So this is the derivation. Whosoever has come late should understand that we have considered the mechanism of flowing the liquid through the tube under the pressure to overcome the resistance with the elementary consideration in a cross section. Suppose it is circular pipe cross section. In this at small r, we have considered a ring of perimeter 2 pi r with thickness dr. Its area is 2 pi r dr. However, for the whole length L of the pipe, the 2 pi r multiplied by length of the pipe is the shearing area, and pi r square is the pressure drop cross sectional area. So here you can understand that we have considered the equilibrium between the shear resistance and the pressure drop force, and we have kept the formula of non-Newtonian model, power law model, tau is equal to m minus dv by dr power n as equivalent to the P1 minus P2 into R by 12, and we have just integrated dV from VR to 0 when the R is changing from small r to capital R, and in that case we have just integrated and found out that VR is equal to point velocity of R is equal to delta P by 2 ml power 1 by n upon n plus 1, R power plus 1 upon n minus R power plus 1 by n. For any R value, small r value, you can find out the VR. In equation, this equation will be utilized to find out the point velocity, and average velocity you can find out by integrating the V average into pi r square by this. So the average velocity on integration has come pi delta P 2 ml power 1 by n, and if you want to understand the total this derivation, you can come and discuss with me, or you can take you can derive it by just doing the mathematical analysis, and take the log q, and after that log delta p by 2l on one side y-axis and log q on x-axis. You can get the value of n and m. For that I will explain you that how the flow rate equation can be changed by taking log, then multiply by n, and again by finding out the log delta p by 2 ml, then again by finding out the log delta p by 2l, and we draw the curve. Understand the principle that when we draw the curve between log delta p by 2l and log q, we get the value of n and m by estimation method. This is the shear rates equation by VR upon VR is equal to this, and then VR dVR by dVR dr is this, and then at R equal to R, maximum shear rate is this. याद रखिए 4V average upon R into R upon into R into 3/4 plus 1/4 n. Yes, two numericals have been solved, and after that, one numericals have been given. So, anybody who wants to ask anything? Hello? हेलो, हाँ बोलिए।
हाँ सर।
समझ में आ गया विकास?
यस सर।
कुछ भी नहीं है, उसमें इंटीग्रेट करना है, इक्वेशन बनाना है, फिर log डेल्टा p by 12 वर्सेस log q ग्राफ खींचना है, स्लोप स्ट्रेट लाइन इक्वेशन आएगा, स्लोप n हो जाएगा और इंटरसेप्ट से m निकाल लेना है। सॉल्व करके सबमिट कीजिए न्यूमेरिकल, ऑल द न्यूमेरिकल्स ऑफ न्यूटोनियन फ्लो, ऑल द न्यूमेरिकल्स ऑफ नॉन न्यूटोनियन फ्लो शुड बी सबमिटेड विद इन 1 वीक एज ऑफलाइन। ऑफलाइन में मेरे कमरे में ये न्यूटोनियन और नॉन न्यूटोनियन का प्रैक्टिकल कॉपी में बना के पहुंचा दिया जाए। प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड।
सर अभी कॉलेज खुलेगा तब ना सर।
You have to do in the offline and send it either online or offline. If you are not able to send offline, then you can send online. If you are able to send offline, you can send offline. Okay?
ओके सर।
और कुछ पूछना है? और कुछ पूछना है किसी को? समझ में ना आए तो बताओ। I am ready to explain you. Now I am stopping the share. Thank you very much.
थैंक यू सर।